Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw XRP from Trust Wallet step by step. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your device. Navigate to your XRP wallet within the app and tap on it to view your balance. To start the withdrawal, simply tap the Send button. You will then be prompted to enter the amount of XRP you wish to transfer out. Be sure to specify the precise quantity for your transaction. Next, you'll need to provide the destination details. Carefully enter the recipient's XRP wallet address into the designated field. This address is crucial for ensuring your funds reach the correct location. If the receiving exchange or wallet requires a destination tag or memo, make sure to input it precisely. This tag is often a series of numbers, essential for identifying your deposit. Always double-check every character of both the address and memo for accuracy. Before finalizing, a confirmation screen will display all your transaction details. Take a moment to carefully review everything: the XRP amount, the recipient's address, and any network fees involved. These fees are typically very small, often less than 1 XRP. Once you are absolutely certain all information is correct, proceed to confirm the transaction. You will likely need to enter your PIN, password, or use a biometric scan to authorize the transfer securely. After confirmation, your XRP withdrawal is sent to the blockchain for processing. The transaction will typically be confirmed within a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on network activity. You can monitor its status directly within your Trust Wallet, which will show if it's pending or completed. Finally, check your receiving wallet or exchange account. Your XRP should appear there shortly, usually within 5 to 10 minutes, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.